everyone. I hope this finds you well. I hope you paused well and did what you needed to do for the week. And I hope, fingers crossed, you got some progress made on your papers, which are going to be due, a week from the time you get this message. So hopefully you are well on your way, or thinking about it at least. The thing you're going to work on today in terms of reading, or this week, excuse me, is the internalization of society. So how do we become human? We're spending the semester kind of thinking about that. Sorry about the dogs. How do we become human? And what we've talked about to this point, the I and the me, the looking glass self, how society gets in us, right? And we obviously think it has a lot to do with the process of socialization, but there's lots of different ways. And so for this week's post, that's what you're going to think about. You're going to think about your own sense of self, your ideas, your belief systems, and then think about where you got that from. So that's kind of taking it into yourself in terms of like how society makes us human. So that's what I'm going to ask you to do this week. One article, one post based on that, and then go kill it on your papers. All right. Thank you guys. Thanks for all your work. And I can't wait to read the papers. All right. Take good care.